Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up parental controls on your iPad, follow these easy steps to restrict content and manage screen time for children. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPad by tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time to access all parental control features. Step 3. If screen time isn't already enabled, tap Turn on Screen Time and choose This is my child's iPad to set up restrictions. Step 4. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle it on to enable parental controls. Step 5. Under Content Restrictions, you can limit specific types of content like movies, TV shows, apps, websites, and explicit music based on age ratings. Step 6. Set up downtime by tapping Downtime and selecting the hours when only allowed apps and phone calls will be available. Step 7. Use app limits to set time limits for specific app categories like games, social media, or entertainment. Step 8. Create a screen time passcode to prevent your child from changing these settings by tapping Use Screen Time Passcode. And make sure to choose a code that only you know and link it to your Apple ID for recovery purposes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.